Dreamancy girl.
Hey there, dreamers. Welcome to my channel where life is a colorful adventure. I am your host, the Dream Exit Girl, and I am here to take you on a journey through my everyday life, filled with laughter, love, and a whole lot of tail-wagging fun. Join me as I explore beautiful parks with my 3 furry companions, each with their own quirky personalities. Join us as we enjoy winter and all of the special holidays together before we can once again dive into the joys of spontaneous weekend getaways in our trusty camper rig. From heartwarming moments to hilarious misadventures, this channel is all about embracing the magic in the mundane and finding joy in every life experience. So grab your favorite snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this dreamy adventure together. Let's go! Happy Monday morning. All right, I'm almost done the house cleaning job. It's 11:34. And then we'll be out of here, and I think I might take a walk with the dogs. Probably not very far because it is really, really cold again today, but yeah, see how it goes. My usual thing. See how it goes. There's the look of the sad one when I'm leaving for work. He wants to come. Don't you? I'm sorry. I gotta go now, okay? I gotta go. I can't be late. I can't be late. Bye. Good Thursday morning. It's just before 8 o'clock. I gotta drive into a further location this morning, and go figure, it's like a blizzard. Just my luck. And we're supposed to do an outing from where we are at the north end all the way into Oshawa, like central Oshawa. So, hopefully I do okay. I'm pretty sure I'll figure out the buses. Can't be that hard. Anyway, gotta go. Oh yeah, update on the dogs. They're just all kind of laying around this morning. They were out for their pee already. Didn't bring the camera. It's been a shit-ass week for video footage. Work, right? Monday I did a cleaning job. Tuesday I picked up a shift. Those were supposed to be 2 of my days off for my short week. And yeah, and then on Wednesday, Thursday are my regular days. So now I'm heading into 3 off. Nobody's asked me overtime yet. That doesn't mean anything though. It's coming because of this weather probably. But I don't think I can take it. Brutus really looked depressed last night. And I'm not kidding. Like, he went into his cage and didn't come and say his usual hellos to me. And when I went to say hi to him, he put his head down and he had these sad, sad eyes. So I gotta spend some time with them. You can't get pets and then work all the time. That's not fair. So, work-life balance. What's going on, huh? You're being silly too. And there's the little one. We're heading out. Are we heading out? Let's go outside for pee-pee. It is snowy. And they're snooping, sniffing stuff. Apparently Brutus took off twice. So I really got to keep an eye on him. He's up to mischief all the time, right, Venus? Hopefully it's not too cold for you. He hasn't gone that far yet. There's Indy. It looks like it's going to be a decent day. If it warms up a bit later in the afternoon, it'd be nice to go for a decent walk. So, hopefully. Don't even know if I'm making this a video this week. Been so busy working. Yeah, she's too cold. She's too cold. Look, this is what Venus does when she's cold. Show them. Her little paws are too cold. What's the matter? Oh, what's the matter? Want mommy to pick you up? I gotta go get Brutus though. Still Friday. Venus had her paws up. Brutus was like doing the paw up with one of his paws too. It's really cold. Look at that. Smoky. And I'm not smoking. So anyway, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna go for a walk later. It might be another hunker down, lots of little outings into the backyard kind of day. But I don't know. I'm in a real funk. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna put videos out this week. I don't know what to do. Okay, don't touch it. Up you go. I'm practicing with my drone instead of being stressed. Okay, what's high? That's not high. There we go. Come on, Venus. Come on, girl. Come. I don't want to come. I get you. I got you. What you doing? Hey, come on. Come on, I'm gonna get you. Okay, so this happens every time. No fail. On the way to the park. They were even worse a minute ago. Wow, man. Anyway, I'm trying to get some semblance of peace. That's pretty much a joke, eh? Anyway, yeah. Heading to Camp 30, the good old favorite, because it still is cold, but it's like sunny right now. So I'm taking this opportunity while it's actually a lot like minus 17, and it's only maybe minus, I don't know. I'll get back to you on that. I'm going to check. I'll get back to you on what the temperature is, but it sure feels a lot warmer than like the last week. So, and they're excited. Stinkers. Alright, we're almost there. And I'll let you know so I can drive and park. Well, it's sunny and warm. Hopefully nobody shows up and they can just get a decent run in. I might actually fly my drone. I'm gonna, even if I have to put them in the car first, just to fly around over the buildings a bit, and I don't have to watch them. Oh, I gotta be careful here though. Under that snow is ice. I am going to fall if I'm not careful. I'm gonna let them all run. I think I am gonna let them off maybe. I don't know. Come here, Brutus. You're getting too far. Why do you start running when I say come here? I don't understand why you can't listen better. Okay, I think I needed this too. I've been watching way too much world politics and getting way too stressed out and nervous. I don't believe in burying my head in the sand, but I gotta come up for air sometimes and just get away from that really like negative vibe. It's making me really stressed. There we go. Still walking. I need to get one of those things that's like a shake proof. John was saying it's about $100 on Amazon. And then when I use this, it won't mess up and bump around all over the place. I'll stay nice and still. Indy, stay close. Okay, baby? Oops. He just ran into the forest and came out. Gotta keep an eye out. And he's getting too far ahead again. I hate having to yell at the park all the time. Brutus! You're going too far. Come on. Come on. Listen to your mom. Okay, I'm gonna try and fly this thing and get it over one of the buildings. I have the dogs in the car so that I don't have to watch them and for people coming. Plus it's really slippery out here, so if I had to move quick, I could really hurt myself. So we're gonna go past this tree here to where it's more clear, and I'm gonna go over the one that I like the best because it has like a tree growing out of the chimney at the top of the building, just against all odds, kind of like the little tree that was on the little rock in the middle of the lake out on Vancouver Island that I stopped and took pictures of. If anybody goes back and looks at my Vancouver Island trip, yeah, it might be day 3 or day 4. Day 3, I think, that it's in. Maybe 2. No, I think 3. Anyway, they're all good. So, I got my drone on and we're going to give this a try. Still not flying that high for a hollow thing. I don't quite understand why. Okay, now it's getting higher. And then I'm going to go into stop. Alright, I think I stopped it. Oh, hi! It's practice. Okay, so what do I want to do now? I want to go... Oh. Hey you! Follow me! Come on this way. That's it. Let's go. Okay, that works good. So I screwed up. I flew it over the building and it wasn't filming. Whoa, another learning curve. So I'm gonna film and it's gonna go up. And then it's gonna do a circle, and it's got the building, and it's gonna go up more, and there you go, that's the building that I like. And I could even fly forward towards it, and maybe up a bit more. I don't know if you can see the chimney. Maybe backwards. then you could do like a circle around the park. The cart is like beyond the gate that's gonna show right now. And there we go. And back to the building and me. And then we're gonna try and come down. Oh, this is pretty cool. You're coming back to me. Yeah. Another learning curve. I don't know if you hear me on that video, but I had it up and flying over beyond the fence where they don't like allow you in, and where I'm nervous that if something goes wrong and I can't get the drone back, that it's gonna like end up in there and I can't get it back. I did not have the video. I thought I did. Man, one of these days I'm going to become a pro, though. I think it was Einstein who said if you spend 15 minutes a day doing something, within a year you'll be an expert at it. So I'm not an expert yet. I've gotten better with my GoPro. Not great, though. I haven't like pushed it to its full potential. Some of it because certain activities I'm limited due to financial flow, and some of it because I don't know all the buttons yet. I'm just not a pro. I've never taken classes. I'm learning along the way. So, and same thing now, I've added the drone into the mix, plus I have a 35 millimeter, and then the iPhone I think can do a lot more too. So yes, I'm a learner every day. It's a snowy day in the neighborhood. And there's the two of them. Brutus is having fun. It's like a lid to one of those pails that you can buy at Home Depot or Canadian Tire. I think they're 16 liter, 18 liter, something like that. That's his favorite toy. It keeps him from running away sometimes. Dopey. Brutus, want me to throw it? Hey, don't take off. Come here. Hey, Brutus, look what I got. Look what I got. You get it. Yeah, I gotta get that no shake thing. You gonna make a poo? Good boy, the crouch. And there she goes. She's probably gonna go sniff some stuff. Chasing him from down at the chickens again. At least he's heading back now. Snowy, snowy Saturday morning. Get to just kind of relax for a bit, I guess. Maybe it'll be nice in the afternoon and I can do a walk with them again. So far I'm just doing lots of little outings with them because it is cold and it's snowing. I don't think the girls are gonna want to go. I brought Indy out, but like she's already gone up to the front door. So it's just Brutus being silly with the lid. Come on, let's go in. Hey, you wanna go in? Mommy's gonna have a shower. Okay, let's go in. Go on. Let's go. You want me to throw it? Yeah, throw it that way though. You're going closer to the house. Okay, it's filming. Brutus isn't supposed to go for it, but he's a good boy. Where's your frisbee thing? I don't know where it went. Hey, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Hey, following it up here. which is kind of cool. Okay. It doesn't like the cold or the wind though, I don't think. And I don't know where your frisbee thing is, but it's supposed to follow us. Hey, you. Oh, yeah. Not liking that, eh? Okay, we're heading to the end of Cobbledick Road to the lakefront at Lake Ontario for a stroll again. Wanted something different than Camp 30. So, yeah, here we go. I still haven't ordered it, but I'm going to. It is cloudy today. Puppies are enjoying it though. I didn't bring a GoPro or a drone. It's just my cell phone today. I'm trying to unattach from media just a little bit for a bit. It's getting me in a kind of a worked up mood. Not really my channel and content. More like watching other people's content when it's political. Crapola. It's super cold and there's other dogs, so I'm gonna have to pay attention now and move this dopey girl over. Hey, come on over here. No, you gotta be good and stay close.
To see rolling hills or city streets, ocean to ocean and all in between. It's out there just waiting on you and me. Take it in, we got no plans. Good things come to those who can. Live moment to moment and all in between. It's out there just waiting on you and me. So look alive, 'cause while I was waiting for you, paradise is on the other side of the road. We don't know, take it along. You and I were born to roll.
It's time for another goodbye. It's Sunday evening. Yeah, this week flew by. Anyway, yeah. Went for a couple of short walks, but it's been freezing. And I've been whining. So, I don't really have a lot to say. Other than I have to admit, I've also been engulfed in a lot of politics right now. What's going on a global scale is pretty freaky for me. And that's all I'm going to say about politics. But please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It does mean the world to me. I can't do this without viewers and, some engagement. And the other thing I would really like to ask is please be good to each other. You just never know what somebody's going through.